Hi and welcome around to our first video about our tool called PromptIn. So let me show you quickly what kind of problem it solves. So for example, you are inside of chatgpt.com and you enter, for example, like let's say, tell me a quick story about something. And then you get this fancy output of ChatGPT. And then usually if you like the prompt, usually you copy the prompt, open up a new Word document and add all of your prompts inside of a single Word document, edit it and whatsoever. So you have absolutely no structure at all and no version controlling whatsoever, also no performance metrics besides of how well your prompts are really doing. Or what's even worse, you open up a new text document and add them here. And yeah, so usually then the people would then go here, open up the text document or Word document, copy it, or first they have to search for it until they found it, and then they paste it here. And you can imagine how much time it can cost, especially if you have between 10 to over 50 to 100 prompts. So how do we fix this problem? You can go inside of Chrome Web Store and enter PromptIn and then download it, and then make sure you have it activated here. Like it's already activated, but then you can click and open up the pop-up. I will show you afterwards for what it can be useful. So now you already see the save prompt button. So if I click on save prompt, I can enter a prompt title, for example, like test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give a description, for example, this is a test. Just if you want to clarify it for what the prompt is useful. And also your prompt, you can modify it and change it or delete something whatsoever. And then you can click on next. Remember, you can also always go back and yeah, you know what I want. And then you can see the options and you see you can create a new prompt, replace a prompt, add prompt to folder, or combine it with an existing prompt. So what we are going to do is just add a prompt to a folder. I've already created a test folder, but you can create a new folder right here. I will just save it here. Boom. Then I go here and you see test 105 with the tell me a quick story about something prompt. So now how are we going to use it? Now remember, usually you open a text document, copy and paste it. That's not what we're going to do now. We just click on backslash, click on the keyboard up and down, and then just boom and click enter, and you have the prompt just right here. Or if you're not comfortable using the keyboards, you can just click on here with your mouse and boom, you have it here. You don't have to copy and paste anything. It's all working very quickly. You can also see the last use prompts you have. If you have a prompt used quite often, just boom, or I don't know, this one, bam. And yeah, you have the overview with the structure, with the categories, the folders, whatsoever. You can search all the prompts inside the folder. And yeah, you have also the option to see the full screen, to see the performance. But yeah, I think that's all for now. I hope I could already save you plenty of time with this introduction about how to use PromptIn. And yeah, see you in the next one.